I've been a patient for 8+ years. So originally I went to another practice that Dr. Gwilt was at, and then one day I had a teeth cleaning. They called me to confirm my appointment, and it was like, Dr. Gwilt's not here anymore. And I was like, oh, okay. So I ended up canceling my appointment, and I Googled to see where he was at, and I found that he was here. So yeah, I've been sticky with him. When you find someone good, whether it's in dental, doctor, hair, makeup, if I like that person, I'll follow them where they go.
Being new to the area, we've only been here for a year and a half. My daughter-in-law went online and found all the reviews about Doc. I totally agree with everything that's on there. Did an amazing job. This place is just great. They treat you like family. I've never been this welcome before in anywhere. Doc's a riot. But once you get them going, look out. When I first came in and they did the cleaning, that cinched it right there. They didn't use the pick to get in there and get the decay out and everything else, straighten the teeth out. And that was the best experience I've ever had with a dentist. It's actually a pleasure to come here. And we joke around a lot and everything else, but that's part of the process of being here. These people care about you.
I met Gary some years back through another dental office, and his care was the best that I'd ever experienced. I chose to kind of follow Gary along because he was the one I trusted. I couldn't trust really anybody else in the dentistry industry, not because there are bad dentists everywhere, it's just because I had some very bad dental experiences, lost some teeth as a result, kind of very uncomfortable situation. And so, coming across Mr. Gwilt was a blessing.
I know it's scary going to the dentist, but Dr. Gwilt will walk you through everything. He'll make you feel at ease. And when I come in here, it doesn't feel like a dentist office. It feels like family. They're very welcome and they care about you. What I appreciate about Dr. Gwilt was he gave me different treatment options. He gave me what was needed the most and then least, so we worked on what was needed right now, and then we followed through with the rest of the treatment that was needed.
They're not like the regular dentists that I've been to over the years. It's not a hustle bustle, get you in, do the work, and get you right on out. Doc followed up on phone calls to me after procedures. They care about what they're doing, and Doc takes pride in his work. He's concerned about the work he does on you. He was more involved with helping me with a decision. He explained everything to me. He guided me through the whole thing.
My experience at ToothCore was nothing less than pleasant. The comfort factor kind of set in immediately. Dr. Gwilt was extremely thorough as he explained the plan. Very gentle through the process. Really stood out in his treatment because of the prep work that he chose to take. Dr. Gwilt had some options that we walked through, but he ensured that I understood the risk of each option as we progressed. And with the relationship that we've built through this process, it really allowed me to trust him, trust his guidance, to land on a specific option and treatment plan, and then execute it flawlessly.
If you're looking for a dentist, I would highly recommend ToothCore because Dr. Gwilt, especially, he's very personable, understanding. His whole staff is very welcoming, and he did spend a lot of time, because I've been here, 8 years, because I've had a lot of teeth work done. He knows what he's doing. So I was scared. I was very scared of the dentist, but now I'm okay.
I had apprehensions about coming to dentists because of the treatment I've had before in the past. I felt like I was being rushed in. They were going to do the minimum, do whatever they had to do, and get me out. At this place, everybody's very friendly here. They even joke around with you. It just fits with my personality.
I would say that anybody coming into a decision for a dentist, you're going to look for someone that you can trust. You're going to look for someone who understands the plan that's in front of you and that can help you mitigate risk and and really be there to walk you through the process. When anybody asks for a dentist, I say you got to go see Dr. Gwilt at Tooth Core. It's good to feel restored through all this dental work, and you go through college and life, and all this stuff happens, and your body starts to deplete. Through all the struggles that you deal with in life, and dental work is kind of one of those things. And Gary's really helped me restore that. It's like getting a piece of yourself back. Your smile's a big part of you. It's the first thing people see.